Hi everyone and welcome to my place. My friend Shirley loves and adores delphiniums, and she grows the best delphiniums in all of New Zealand, and she moans and whinges all through the winter, and then when her delphiniums start coming up, she actually can't wait. She almost sits and wills them to grow. She said to me that it would be really nice, because I'm in the flower industry and I like working with artificials, if I could find her some so that she could enjoy them all year. So Shirley, this is for you. I did manage to find you some. They're available at Prestige Botanicals, and just to keep you in the loop, Shirley, these are almost as tall as yours. Look at that. I'm 5'5.5", that half is a lie, but look how tall they are. They're beautiful. Now Shirley also has issues with how to design with them. Well, I've got that covered too. What you need is a tall vase. So the taller the flower, the taller the container, and the rule of thumb is the container needs to be the placement needs to be, so when you place these, the flowers need to be 1.5 times the height or the width of the container. Because these are tall, the vase needs to be high as opposed to wide. The other little tip I want to tell you is, if you ever stuck, place flowers in the way that they would naturally grow in the garden. So if it grows up tall, reaching the sky, put it into a design where it is reaching the sky. The other thing I want to share is, sometimes big tall things need to just be on their own for a little bit of stunning elegance and beauty. So to begin, I'm going to use this lovely spiky green here because I've got this fluffiness at the top here, and I just felt that a beautiful complement would be to use the spikiness. You could use flax or whatever, some orchids, you could put whatever you've got really, but I'm going to use that today. So I'm going to put that into there first, because that is going to become my base, and it's pretty much just a structure that's just going to hold it. It's like when you look at gladiolus. Gladiolus have those, you've got this beautiful stem that grows up, and it's got these lovely flowers on them that start at the base and then they slowly get smaller as they grow up, and they've got this lovely spiky green that grows with it, which is fabulous as a complement to the beautiful gladioli. So I just felt that tall and tall would be a great way forward. Now these here, all I'm going to do is just place these into the vase, and I'm not quite sure yet whether and they are, see how they're all sort of starting to woof out? That's why whatever you're using here needs to be really strong and sturdy. And this glass is, and once the water goes into it, it's going to be fantastic. The other little tip I've got I would like to share with you is, if you're going to be putting fresh flowers into a big tall vase, place at the placement surface before you put your flowers in. So if it's going on your table or your entranceway, place it, fill it with water, and then start your construction, because it's much safer and it's much easier, because the weight and volume of water can be little bit tricky. Okay, so this can just go into there, and I've got 5 of these. These are delicious. There's something about blue flowers, isn't there, that's absolutely delicious and divine. Not a very good colour for designing at night, in the night time, because that blue just disappears. Then in amongst these, I'm just going to put that one there, and it is going to splay out, but I know that Shirley has got a lovely big long dining table, so this is going to look fantastic. And I don't know what kind of a dining table you've got, but maybe this might be perfect for you as well. Look at that. And see what I mean by sometimes just leaving them on their own is all that you need to do. That can go around into there. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to incorporate just the tiniest little bit of olive into there, just to bring a little bit of something down to the base of my design. Now I've only got 3 bits of this, so that's all I can use at this stage. And then turning that around like that. I actually would like more of these into here, and what you can do if you wanted to is you could just bring those together and just use a bit of wire. Oh, I've got a bit of wire down here. Oh, just go through that green there. I should have done this before I started. In fact, I probably should have put the green in first, but never mind. It's all right. I'll just, there we go. Look at that. Now I'll just pull this out of the way so that you can see me. Sometimes on their own, that's all you need. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing this with you, and I know my friend Shirley is going to be doing this all through the summer and into the winter with the artificial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again another day.